Hello. So we are back. Wednesday, and the lockdown is over. Okay, let's fix something today. We do have a nice. It's an old one, but looks nice. DVD player or Blu-ray player. I don't know what it is. It's a Panasonic SA-PT870. Okay. The problem with this one, if I plug the power, let me plug the power on it. It's just dead. Here is the power button, pressing the power button. Nothing happened, no line, nothing. It's just dead. Okay? Most likely a power supply issue? Can be. Hopefully it's not the logical board, but it looks like a power supply issue. Okay, let's fix it quickly. Maybe one day you'll have this player with the same fault, and it will be nice to see what is inside. Okay, so the screws are out. I didn't open before, so I'm not sure what is inside. Okay. The CD DVD is still inside. So what do we have here? We have the power supply. It's a single power supply. We have the input filters. That's a fuse there. You see that brownie one? That's a fuse. And here is another fuse, but you can't see it. Let's check the fuse, yeah? Let's check the fuse together. And the fuse is good like always. So this fuse is good. No, sorry. No. I can see a second power supply there. That's the standby power supply with this transformer and this driver, yeah? It's a chip. Okay. So that small power supply is on all the time. So because we have no light and nothing, I suppose that's the issue, that's the problem. What I will do, I can't check the fuse because it's on the other side of the board, but I can check these two wires, which is supposed to be AC, straight to the rectifier bridge pin. Okay? I think I can check that or not. No, because it has a relay. This is a relay. So basically the small power supply is on all the time. When you press the power button, the relay will click and we will have power from this power supply. It will supply power to this one. Yeah? Yeah. Yeah, that's how this works. So what we should do, we should open this. Yeah, probably we have to fix it. Hopefully it's not the chip. If it's the chip, probably it's the chip. We have to order the chip. This is our audio amplifier. You can see a big heatsink. I can see 4 chips there, big chips. TA probably. This is a Class D audio amplifier. You can see the coils there. You can't see the coils? Yeah, you see? It's a Class D one. Okay, let's open this. Let's open this. I can't take the power supply out because of this, so I have to take even the front. That's plastic clips. The front panel. Yeah, and 3 more plastic clips behind. Yeah, and the front panel is coming out. It has some ribbon cables. Let's unplug those ribbons. Okay. And there's still one connector here. And it's one cable which is going somewhere behind of this board. Let's take the board out. This one. Because to take out the power supply, you have to take this out, this board. So we have 2 screws. And yeah, we have 1 more screw here. One more here. And 1 more here. No, it's not this one. 1 more here. Yeah. Give me 1 second. Okay, sorry for that. We just test the laptop. So let's take this out. We have a ribbon cable here. And it's still holding something there. But what? So many wires and connectors. It's holding something here on this side. So what is holding there? Okay. Okay. So the board is out. Let's take out the power supply. One more here. We have a plastic clip here. Good. Well, let's see first, it's still charged. Nothing here. Another rectifier bridge. Nothing here. Let's check the fuse. We do have a fuse there somewhere. Here. Okay, this fuse is gone. You know, the brownie one is gone. But this fuse, it's used for this rectifier bridge. And the plus or minus is going to the small power supply. So let's check the output, plus and minus. And it's kind of short there. Let's come with the power supply, 30 volts. And let's come on the same point where it should be, like 300, yeah? Maybe we can see something. Minus, plus. And it's not short. Or if it is a short, I can't see it. So if we're replacing the fuse, can blow up or can work. Simple as that. But why that fuse blow up? Because must be a reason there. Let's check the rectifier bridge. Yeah, rectifier bridge is shorted. You can't see. Let me get the multimeter, the on-screen multimeter. The on-screen multimeter diode. So this here is the AC input. Here is the AC with minus, and we have 0, 0, you can see. And AC with plus, nothing, nothing. So we have one diode shorted from AC to minus. Okay. So what we have to do is to replace the rectifier bridge. I have some rectifier bridge, but nothing the same. Let me see. Yes, I do have. These are some SMD rectifier bridges, yeah? So I'll get one out. And let's replace that rectifier bridge and hopefully it will work. I think even the rectifier bridge is stuck on the board. Yeah, yeah. Was glued on the board with some glue. So that's the old rectifier bridge. Let's solder the new one. Plus minus AC. Okay, that's good. It's a bit smaller than the original one. It should be fine. Okay. This is an easy job, a basic one. Now the question is why the rectifier bridge goes shorter. That's a good question. That's a good question. So it can happen like we are replacing the fuse and the fuse will blow up again. So the rectifier bridge is soldered in place. Let's give the multimeter diode mode. Seems to be better than before. You remember was on the both sides I have like 250 something, yeah? Or 0.2 volts. That's why I checked with the power supply, but the power supply didn't say anything. Let's replace the fuse. We need a proper calibrated fuse. Let's try this one. Okay, so the fuse has been replaced. Let's check the fuse. Good. Hopefully it will work, because otherwise it will be a big boom. And not only a big boom, but probably the power goes off and the video will get if the computer is shutting down, I will lose the video. But if you see in this video, if you see it, that means it didn't blow up. So I suppose we are fine. You know, the universe, like the Schrodinger cat. I think that's the name, yeah. So the universe can have two. It can go on two ways. He stuck a cat in the box, and They fill up a bowl with food and one with poison, and they said they put a cat inside and say, look, if we are looking, we'll find out if the cat is dead or alive. The cat has a 50 chance to eat the poison or 50 chance to eat the food, the normal food. Yeah, Ash. So same like now. So if you see the video, it's not the other way when actually the fuse is blowing up and the power goes off and I lose the video. All good? We found the charging port. Oh, that's fantastic. It is right. Yeah, that's the one, yeah. Yeah? So, same like here. So he said if you are not looking, it's a possibility the cat is still alive or the cat is dead. But if you are looking, actually on that point the things happen. So he said some things happen because you are looking for them. Otherwise, they will never happen. Let's put only three screws and let's see. Because it is a high chance to blow up. It is a high chance. So let's see, we have to fit the cable, this ribbon cable there. Okay, that's good. What happened here? I see. Okay. Good. These ribbon no, these connectors. Those connectors. This. And pretty interesting stuff, yeah. What his theory, like an event, it will happen only if you are looking for. I like science. Okay, so every ribbon cable is plugged. Let's plug the cable and let's see a big boom. Oh wait, not this one. This. I will unplug it from here. And I will plug it here first, yeah? So let's try now. Still working, still working. The fuse blew up. Did you hear the pop? Okay, I can see it here. 1 second. Let me grab the multimeter. Volts. Let me check here if we have any voltage. Probably not, but I want to be sure. Okay, let's check for sure now. Diode mode. Diode mode. And it's still not sure, so the fuse blow up, but it's still not sure there. That's pretty bad. This fuse probably should be like 1 amp fuse, not more than 1 amp. Uh, 1.6 amps. So you see, there's no reason for the fuse to blow up. You see, that's the worst case. When your fuse is blowing up, it's not shorted. You know, your power rail is not shorted. Because the things can be partial shorted, like on this case. So anything can be partial shorted on this board. Like, for example, the driver, yeah, that chip, this one. Or a capacitor. But because it's not short, you can't really figure it out which one it is. Because if you check, let's say with the power supply with 30 volts, it's not shorted. But it is shorted if you apply 300. Okay, the fuse blow up. Now the rectifier bridge is burned, so we have this. We have a bridge from the plus to AC. Yeah. So check here. 0 0. Okay. One diode got burned on this rectifier bridge. Wait, we have plus and minus. We have 88 ohms. You can see. I think we are lucky. I think finally something is shorted. So I think we are lucky actually. I think we are lucky. Let's check with the multimeter one more time. It is 88 ohms. So something, now we can diagnose because we know we have a low resistance here. I suppose it's the chip. So what I will do, this is the chip, the driver, yeah? It's going here, it's going to the transformer, and from here, it can be only the chip or the capacitor. From here it's coming here and to the plus. Okay, so the capacitor has a bridge from here to here. Wait, but the plus should go here, yeah? It's not. Wait, I still don't get it, yeah? No, this capacitor is from this big rectifier bridge. Yeah, 0 0. Yeah. So the only capacitor here, it's a small one. This one. So this is the only capacitor. So can be only the capacitor. If it's not a capacitor, it's only the chip. We have here a diode, a tiny diode. Diode seems to be fine. And it's going to this pin of the chip. Most likely, the chip is dead. We can take out the capacitor and check quickly, just to be sure, yeah? So one more time, where is the minus? Minus is there. That's the capacitor. Let's check one more time the resistance of the circuit. 88 ohms. Let's come with the power supply. 30 volts. Minus. Plus. And look, it's taking 1.4 amps and it's taking smoke, you can see. And I can feel the smoke. The smoke, it's a semiconductor smoke. Hopefully you can see the smoke. No, it's not smoking anymore. Let's give more amps to this chip. You can see the smoke now? Clearly it's a semiconductor smoke. So I can feel the, you know, that smell. Yeah, you can't even touch it. So the chip is dead. Let me see what chip is. Maybe I have the chip. Probably not, but I can check. MIP2F2. What's that? MIP2F2. Let me check eBay quickly. MIP2F2. Oh, it is. It is. It's like £2.50 from UK. Yeah, from UK. £2.50. Cheap. Okay. Let me try one more time. Minus on the capacitor. More amps. Check out the chip. You can see that the chip is smoking. Yeah, the chip is gone. Okay, so I'll stop this video because I have to order the chip. And we have to replace the rectifier bridge again. You see, everything is linked. The chip goes shorted. Obviously it's a short, blow up the power supply, which is 1 amp power supply, 1 amp rectifier bridge, sorry. Or 2 amps? Probably it's 1 amp. And the rectifier bridge, blow up the fuse. You know, it's a chain. Okay? So see you on the next one. I'll order the chip and I'll see if we can fix this. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video. And see you probably next week. Yeah? Bye.